How to connect Twitter account with BitSocial. So, this is the BitSocial dashboard. Navigate to the Accounts section. Click on the Connect Account button. Now we see different types of social media platforms. Click on the Custom App button under Twitter. Select your API version. Input your app name. To connect your Twitter account, you need both the app key and app secret. Then navigate to the Twitter developer page and click on the developer portal. Now select Project and App option. Click on Add Project button. Input your project name. Click on Next button. Select your project use case. Click on Next button. Provide your project description. Click on Next button. Input your app name. Click on Next button. Your project and app have been successfully created. Now select your app settings. Scroll down and click on Setup button under User Authentication Settings. Select Read and Write option under App Permissions category. Select Web App, Automated App or Bot option under the Type of App category. Then get back to the Twitter account section. Now copy this redirect URL and paste it into the callback URL field. Use your website domain name. Finally, click on Save button. Then go to the Keys and Tokens section. Click on the Regenerate button to generate your API key and secret under Consumer Keys. Now copy API key and back to the Twitter account section and paste it into App Key field. Copy API key secret and paste it into the App Secret field. Now click on the Add button. After successfully adding, click on Connect button. Now click on Authorize App button. Your Twitter account will be displayed in the pop-up. Now click on the Save button. You see a Twitter account connected in the BitSocial account section. That's all for this tutorial. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.